Hello guys, welcome to lab. In this lab, we are going to discuss about roles. So let's jump into the discussion and then we will do the hands-on lab. So in this lab, we are going to discuss about roles. So far in this journey, we have come across various elements of Ansible. And what is happening that once we are designing the playbook, then the size of the playbook is getting increased as per the task. So it is sometimes very difficult to manage when the size of playbook is getting increased. So we need a way by which we can handle those tasks and or say organize our task in a more meaningful manner. So how do we can do this in Ansible? We can do this with the help of roles. So let's look into that. What is roles is? So what is roles is? Basically, roles is nothing but a way to organize the things within Ansible. It helps us to organize our thing in a more meaningful manner where we can easily track what we are doing. From Ansible perspective, it is nothing but a structure of folders. So we will look into that. How do we can create roles within Ansible? So let's jump into the hands-on lab. So what we are going to design, let's see. So we are going to perform four exercises. And the first exercise is we will create an YAML file roledemo.yaml, and after that we will use this code into that YAML. Once that is being done, we need to create such folder structure, and then we need to provide work on this YAML. And within that we need to create two tasks so that I can demonstrate you how to use roles. So let's jump into the terminal. So here we need to write nano and the demo for roles demo.yaml. So the first step, what it is telling, we need to grab this code, copy paste it, and go there, and afterwards we will save it. Now let's look into what it is telling. It is telling that we need to create this structure. One thing you notice that the name of this folder and the name of the roles which is given over here is the same. So I will demonstrate you there only. So let's grab this so that we can create this folder structure into the terminal. We come over here and do mkdir and paste it, and after that we need to put -p because it will create the same folder structure if it is not existing. Here we done a mistake. We don't want to create on the root, it should be in the current directory. So enter, and then afterwards we need to create a YAML file within that is called main.yaml. So to do that, we do that, come here, do nano, and tell that I want to create main.yaml in this location. We come over here and grab the code for the second part. So we will grab this code, copy it, go to the terminal, paste it. So here what we are doing, we are creating only the task over here. We are telling that this task, two tasks should execute when I run this YAML. So save it, Control X, yes. Now we will run this exercise. So how we will run it? Again, Ansible playbook, then -i inventory and roles demo.yaml, run it. It is executing it. See here, it has executed two tasks, task 1 and task 2. So now to understand that, we have to do like this tree. So I wanted to explain you this roles. So here, this structure we must have to remember. Whenever we are writing a roles, we should have the name of the folder should be similar as what we have into the roles demo.yaml. So if you do cat roles demo.yaml, so the thing common over here is the name of this list item should be same as the name of this folder, and it should have this task folder, and that should contain a file name called main.yaml. Whenever you are writing roles, make sure that whatever you are providing the name within this list, that name of the folder should be the same. So that's it guys, this thing I wanted to show you in this demonstration. I hope you understand the roles. It is pretty much straightforward. So see you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.